going on?
I've been abused.
You've been abused?
I want to leave the premises.
Where do you live at?
I don't live anywhere.
You don't live anywhere?
I am staying with a person over here, and I want to leave.
How did it happen?
I was thrown down.
You was thrown down?
Yes.
How are you thrown down?
What do you mean, how was I thrown down?
Like, how did it happen?
Why are you here?
You got a call about a verbal disturbance going on.
Okay.
Yeah,
as far as what? So I'm being abused, but yet I'm going to get taken away.
We're not saying you're getting taken away. We're trying to find out what happened.
May I leave the premises?
No.
May I leave the premises?
No. No, ma'am.
Really?
Yeah. Right now we're in the middle.
Why?
Because we're in the middle.
Why?
We're right in the middle of an investigation.
Investigation of
yes,
what?
Ma'am. Okay.
Is this just some kind of freaking show?
No, that's not what we're saying. Okay.
Let me leave the premises?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Oh.
Check this out.
Okay, pause right there. Notice how quickly this encounter changes. Officers arrived expecting to investigate a disturbance, but now they're dealing with someone who appears injured, emotional, and possibly intoxicated. At this point, their priority isn't making an arrest. It's figuring out what's actually happening before the situation spirals even further.
Check this out. How about you come lean on the patrol car real quick, okay?
No.
Because you're falling over. Okay. I don't want you to
I
get out of the
am?
car. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Where's your freaking camera?
Camera's
Yo.
right here in this room.
Really?
Yes.
Where's your camera, yo?
Yo, it's right here.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Back up.
Ma'am.
No.
Back up.
I'm freaking
Back
done with
up.
this crap.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm done with it.
Okay, that's fine.
No, don't mess
Falling into
with
traffic,
me.
okay?
I don't mess with me.
Okay.
Don't mess with me.
Okay.
I am sick. I'm tired.
Okay.
Just leave me alone. Let me go home.
No, ma'am. Okay, we're trying to say, ma'am, you've got a severely cut up hand. Okay, you're bleeding there.
Really? Why?
Ma'am.
Why? Why do I have a severely cut up hand? Why?
That's what we're trying to find out.
Yeah.
That's
Maybe it's because of them.
Okay, do me a favor. Ma'am, you're being detained at this time.
I am detained of what?
Right here, stay right here. Okay, I'm not playing games with you today. I'm not playing games with you today.
I'm not playing games with anybody.
Okay, you need to calm down, all right?
No.
We're trying to help you out. But
No,
calm
you're
down.
not helping me out. Give me my Stuart
You want to take her
Martin.
back? You want to get her backpack off first?
Yeah.
Go ahead, get my backpack off.
All right,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
ma'am.
I've been through so much. Why am I being
Stop.
detained?
Stop.
Stop it.
Why am I being
Stop it. You gotta
You know
stop.
what?
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop this spinning right now. Stop.
Yeah. Mr. You gonna read me my rights?
Stop.
Because guess what?
Stop.
You gonna read me my rights? Are you gonna read me my rights?
Ma'am, calm down.
Are you gonna read me my rights? Are you gonna read me my rights?
Stop it. You're
Are you
spitting
gonna
right
read me my rights?
Ma'am.
Here's a
Wait,
moment
wait.
people often misunderstand. She's repeatedly demanding her rights be read, but Miranda warnings aren't required every time someone is detained. They're generally needed before a custodial interrogation. In the middle of a physical struggle, the officer's focus is gaining control and keeping everyone safe, not conducting an
Right.
Ma'am.
Are you gonna read me my rights?
We can read you your rights if that's what makes you feel better.
You didn't read my rights!
Okay.
Is this what you freaking... Yeah!
Stop, okay?
Stop what?
Okay.
Stop what? Give me my rights!
We're currently hands-on with female.
Give me my rights! Give me my rights!
Okay. You want me to read you your rights, ma'am?
Yeah!
Okay.
Read me my rights.
Okay, I'll read them to you.
Yeah, go ahead, you motherfucker!
Ma'am,
No!
stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop.
Stop
Stop.
resisting.
No!
Stop resisting.
You're gonna catch a charge to keep resisting this, okay?
You know what? You didn't read me my rights!
I'm going to read your rights.
No! You didn't read me my
Yes, ma'am.
rights!
Yes, ma'am.
I know how to run.
You do?
You know?
You know how to run?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can put her in mine. Or
Guess
yours.
what?
Yours right here.
I've been watching it every day! Ow!
Come on.
You're going to go that direction. That direction.
Let's go.
That direction. That direction.
Have a seat.
Have a seat? Am
Have
I
a seat.
dog? Am I a
Have
dog?
a seat, ma'am.
Am I a dog?
You're coming in. You're coming in.
Pull over some more.
Okay.
And there it is, the phrase we hear in so many body cam videos. You're being sued. But let's be honest, When emotions are running this high, threats of lawsuits usually signal frustration more than legal strategy. The bigger issue here is that the situation is becoming increasingly dangerous for everyone involved.
Okay. Sit up, ma'am.
Nope. I ain't heard shit until you freaking. Hey, yo, guess what?
See,
No,
we tried to make
I
very
know who
clear,
you freaking are.
but you understand.
Yeah, Mark Strawberg. Mark Strawberg.
Okay.
I freaking know who you are. And guess what? You are freaking fried. Yeah, you're freaking fried.
Different way.
Yeah. What? So what are you arresting me on? Yo? What? What is it? Really? Okay. So you know what? I've got y'all report right now. Yeah. Mr. Bodycam. Yo! Bodycam! Public intoxication. Yo! Guess what? Guess what? You're freaking sued. You're freaking sued. And guess what? You're freaking sued! You're freaking sued! I hear everything that you're fucking saying, just so you fucking know. Yeah, guess what? I've got my body cam on, yo. Guess what? I've got my body cam on. Why are you freaking putting me in handcuffs? Why? I want to freaking know. I want to freaking have that freaking... Why? Hey! Why are you putting me in handcuffs? Is it his word against his?
Because you were fighting us, ma'am.
Really?
We tried to talk to you, but you
No.
wouldn't talk to us.
You! No! Why are you putting me in handcuffs? Is
Watch
it
the
his
tone
word-
shift here. Just minutes ago, there was screaming and resistance. Now the officer is trying to assess her condition with a breath test and calm conversation. It's a reminder that many of these incidents are part law enforcement, part crisis management, and part medical evaluation all at the same time.
Handcuffs! Is it his word against his? An idiot, and I will sue your ass. Yeah, that's right, motherfucker! I f***ing know how to get out! Yeah, you let me f***ing out right f***ing now because I'm f***ing getting myself out, motherfucker. And I'll f***ing run so f***ing fast. You f***ing give me air. You give me... No, you give me f***ing air! You give me air! Yeah, you didn't think I'd pull that on me, did you? Yeah. Let me out, you freaking motherfucker, because guess what? I freaking know you.
Hey, will you do a favor for me?
Can I go in and go to sleep?
You gotta do a favor for me first, okay?
What is it?
Will you do a breathalyzer so I can see how much you've had to drink so I know if you need to go to the hospital?
How old am I? How old am I? Miss, what's your name?
My name's Teresa.
Teresa? How old am I?
I don't know
How old am I? Am I a freaking adult to where, yeah, exactly, Teresa, I am an adult. So you know what? Back off. I don't have any.
Hey, Julie.
I don't have anything on me. I want
Julie.
to go home and I want to go to sleep.
We're gonna take you out for a second, okay? I'm just gonna make sure you don't have nothing on you. You're not gonna kick. You're not gonna act a fool.
No, sir.
right.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
It would be nice.
All right. Well, I appreciate that, Julie. All right.
Can
Here,
I
you
go?
got the seatbelt around your leg. What were
Hey,
you?
may I?
Okay, you got the seatbelt around. I can't get you out. You gotta move the seatbelt.
Okay.
You gotta
move
wiggle
it?
yourself out. I can pull you out this way.
I'm not gonna do anything.
That's okay. I'm
I-
trying to get the seatbelt off you.
May I go home and go to sleep?
We can figure all that out in a second. Here, try to get
I'm
this
not
off
a
you. All
bad
right?
person.
No, I don't. I'm not saying you're a bad person.
I'm not.
Here, come on.
I have addictions.
That's okay.
And,
Here, lift your leg up and wrap it around.
May I call
Here.
my psychiatrist?
Lift your leg up and wrap it around so I can get you out. There you go.
May I
There you
go? May I please? It hurts.
That's okay.
Over here out of her face for us.
I want to go home. I want to go
can do
home,
that.
and
I'll
I
move
want to
your
go. I want to go home, and I want to go to sleep. What am I being charged with, sir? What am I being charged
Are
with?
you done?
What am I being charged
Sit right
with?
down and put your car.
What am I being charged with?
Just have a seat, all right?
Sit down,
This
I'll
is the
tell you.
most serious moment of the entire encounter. When someone starts talking about harming themselves, everything changes. What began as a disturbance investigation can instantly become a mental health emergency, requiring officers to focus on protection and intervention rather than simply processing
Have a
charges.
seat, all right?
Sit down and I'll tell you. Sit down and I'll tell you.
We'll get it all worked out. I'll tell you in a second.
What am
I'll
I
tell you in a
being?
second.
What am I being
I'll tell you in
charged
a
with?
second, but I
first,
don't.
let's
Just sit
do it.
down.
What am I being
I'll
charged
tell you.
with?
We'll say
I'll
you
tell
sit
you in a
down.
second. You gotta sit down for me, all right?
Are you gonna let me go?
You gotta sit down. We gotta talk about it. We gotta talk about it, Julie, all right? Just sit down for me, please. Sit down for me.
And that
I understand. You gotta sit down for me, though. You gotta sit down for me. All right? Thank you, Julie.
He's on foot.
I won't let you fall.
Parkway.
I want to go home.
Okay, you gotta sit down. You gotta sit down. We can figure it
I
out.
want to go home.
Julie, you
Therese.
gotta sit down so we can figure it
I
out.
want to go home.
All right. Go ahead and swing your
I wanna
legs in.
go
Go
home.
Have your head in.
ahead and swing your legs in. I
wanna
won't let
go
your head.
home.
Go ahead.
I want to go home. I wanna go home.
Put your legs in.
Go back to school, Carl.
It's not her.
Tell me what your name is! You fuck off! No! You answer me, goddammit! You answer me! Answer me!
And now we finally get the bigger picture. According to the affidavit, investigators say she consumed an enormous amount of alcohol before the incident. The final charges include disorderly intoxication, battery on an officer, and drug possession. What started as a roommate dispute ultimately escalated into multiple criminal charges. A powerful reminder of how quickly one chaotic night can change everything.
Answer me! You answer me, you fucking son of a bitch! You answer me! You fucking let me out! I fucking run! What am I being charged with, you goddamn son of a bitch? No, I'm gonna fucking kill myself! Because you fucking don't care! Because you fucking... Let me go out! No! You let me go out! You let me go! Oh, fuck you!
Stop thinking.
No.
Stop thinking.
Fuck. No!
Stop.
You let me out! You let me out! No! You let me out! Because I'm not a bad person.
You're not a bad person. You're not a bad person.
This man right here? No.
Don't do that.
Stop. Let me out!
You're just gonna get yourself in more trouble.
Really? How? How? Come on, tell me! Tell me!
Alright, Julia.
No, I want to file a report right now. No, I want to file a report right now about this. No, because you, no, I'm not freaking done.
I just got here, so.
No, yeah, fuck you. Yeah, I'll fuck you. You know what? I don't need a fucking wheelchair. No. No.
Sit down.
Really?
You walk
I'll fucking, yeah, I'll walk.
Okay, we'll walk, we'll
I'll
walk.
fucking walk because I know how to fucking walk.
According to her affidavit, the suspect had drank nearly 2 liters of alcohol that day and ordered 3 more by delivery. She was charged with disorderly intoxication, causing a disturbance, battery on an officer, and drug possession. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and be sure to subscribe for more Bodycam footage daily.